J. Gudev children, question number 5. ABCD is a rhombus and the diagonals are AC and BD. So this AC, it is making an angle alpha with the side AB. So we have drawn a rhombus which is ABCD, and the intersecting point of the diagonal is 90 degree, which is marked as O. So this point, the AC diagonal is making alpha degrees with the line AB. So it is also marked, and it is given that cos alpha is equal to 2 by 3. So since this is 90 degree, cos alpha will be like, this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. So it is OA by AB. So you might recollect that, if it is given as 2 by 3, then you will have a variable like 2x by 3x. So this x and x will get cancelled and we will have the ratio to be 2 by 3. But here we cannot simply cancel and say that OA is having a value 2. So you have to find out what is the value of x. So you have to find out what is the value of x, and then you will have to substitute and find out what is the value of OA, and only then you will be able to find out what is the value of AC. AC is nothing but twice of OA. But when you look at this diagonal BD, it is also given that OB value is 3. So OB value is 3. So it is not proportional, the actual value is given. So we can simply write BD is nothing but 2 times of OB, which is 2 into 3, which is 6 centimeter. So already we have found out the length of one diagonal. We are supposed to find out the length of the other diagonal AC. So what I will do now is, I will go and use the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, I have AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. So this is what I have. So what I can do here is, I can just write three x the whole square is equal to 2x the whole square plus 3 square. This is actually 3. Okay, and the hypotenuse is AB is 3x and this is OA is 2x. So if I try simplifying, I will have 9x square will be equal to 4x square plus 3 square is 9. So I will have 5x square is equal to 9. So x value will be equal to, or x square value will be equal to 9 by 5. Therefore x value will be equal to plus or minus square root of 9 by 5. I cannot have a negative value, so I will go only with the positive value because the length of the diagonal cannot be positive. So you can just write, hence x is equal to plus 3 by root 5 as length of diagonal can't be negative. So what I am going to do now is, I am just going to substitute it here. So OA is equal to 2x, which is nothing but 2 times of 3 by root 5. So 6 by root 5. This is my OA value. So what will happen to AC? AC is 2 times of OA, which is nothing but 2 times of 6 by root 5. So that is equal to 12 by root 5. So I have already got BD, the diagonal BD length is 6 centimeter. Now that I have got the length of the diagonal AC is equal to 12 by root 5. So you can just write length of AC is equal to 12 by root 5. Units is very important, so I will write centimeter. And it is also mandatory for you to take out the answer and write it separately, which will fetch you one more mark. So this is equal to 6 centimeter.